our way.
Alright, so update, I'm on the passenger side now. I ended up just putting the everything back together over there. It's these bushings that are really bad in the outside of the control arm, and I couldn't get the bolt out on the top. I think it's from this metal hitting it. It has like a shoulder on it, which means it's toast anyway. But to get it out, I'm gonna have to like cut off the bolt heads, and I don't have replacement bolts for those right now. And I've had this thing for 3 months and I haven't driven it yet really, so I put it back together for now and I'll change them eventually. This side has its, you can see how much movement, so I'll get those all changed out eventually here. But what I did do was pull this tire off, and I'm glad I did, because look at these studs. They must have been riding it with loose nuts for a while. It ate out about half of the thickness of that stud. So yeah, those are, this one's almost 3/4 or a quarter of the way through. So these things are done. I'm gonna have to order new studs and get new bolts for that anyway, but seeing as I want to ride this today, I'm putting it all back together. Retorque the axle nut, that was loose, new cotter pin, and these pads are decent on the back. I ended up leaving the front pads as well because the caliper was seized up, so it still works, but at least I'm looking into all these things. That's like kind of the main benefit here, is like I know what I have to fix, and I'm comfortable with driving it a little bit with all those loose bolts. Even with these, they'll probably break, but then I'll replace them. So I'll put this tire back on, and then still waiting on my axle for the front.
Blue face, it bust another. Blue face, it bust another.
You alright?
I thought it was gonna get my head on.